Hi there, my name is Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to be replacing the light on a Zanussi oven. So first things first, we have to make sure that we cut the power to the oven because we want to do this without any risk of electric shock. So have a look to see where yours is plugged in. With my one, it's down here. And then if you go up here, you can see it's now dead. Now let's change the oven light. So all we need to do is undo this glass cover here, and we need to turn it counterclockwise, which is to the left. Now if that hasn't been done in a while, it might be a bit stiff, you might have to use a bit of force. So that is basically the glass cover. While it's off, you can give that a clean to make it nicer, so it makes the oven brighter. And then what we need to do is just unscrew the lights here. So this is a Edison screw. So we're going to be unscrewing it again to the left, anti-clockwise or counterclockwise to remove it, like so. And I can see there that the filament on the inside is broken. So what we need to do is we need to look very closely at this and find out what wattage it is. So to help me, I'm going to use a little bit of white paper. I can just see there 240 volts, 25W, so it's 25 watts and 300 degrees C. So these are special oven light bulbs that can withstand higher temperatures, but I need to get a 25 watt bulb. Here we have a 25 watt oven lamp. So to fit it, we just need to do the reverse of what we've just done. So we need to put it in, and this time we need to turn it clockwise. So I'm just going to be putting it in there like so. Just turning it. There we go. So you don't need to go crazy, just turn it up until it nips up. And then we need to put the glass cover back on. So hopefully you will clean yours, unlike mine. And then what we need to do is, again, we need to turn it, but don't cross thread it. So don't just yank it on and keep forcing it. Just put it on very gently and just turn it. It needs to go on really easily, otherwise you're going to cross thread it. And there we go. That's on nice. Again, you don't have to go crazy, just nip it up. And now let's see if the light works. Now we need to turn it back on, and remember we will have to reset the time as well. Right, let's check the oven light now. Put it on there, and there we go. You can now see that the oven light's working again. Thanks for watching, take care.